Hey, what's up, Crypto Universe? It's me, Eugene Tay, and you're watching me on Rockblock Live Daily News, where I share with you crypto highlights of the day. Well, as you can see, I'm not back in my studio yet. I'm still on the roads and I'm recording to you live from outside. And I hope you guys enjoy today's updates. Crypto market red across board, with Bitcoin dropping about 0.5%, Ethereum dropping more than 2%, and EOS as the biggest loser of the week. But overall, the market sentiment isn't as bad as it was the last couple of weeks and last couple of months. This few percentage drop is nothing compared to the 20% drop that we have seen. So bears, you may have won for now, but the rest of us are going to keep holding and buying and push the value up past 7,000, which I truly believe, with all things considered in the blockchain scene, we should see an increase by the end of this year. Some people say it's 25,000. I say once I can hit 20,000 past 10,000, we should see it flop. On hacking news, Bancor, the Decentralized exchange, have reported losing about $12 million in Bitcoin's own tokens, Ethereum, and X. Apparently, none of the wallets got affected. Bancor will be releasing a statement very shortly. Also, in other more positive hacking-related news, 20 Chinese culprits were caught for cryptojacking. What's cryptojacking? Is basically these hackers insert a Trojan horse app into your phone or your computer, and once your computer goes ideal, they use your system to mine for cryptocurrencies without you knowing. So I think they made away with few million dollars just doing that. So hacking Bancor, catching of hackers in China, and brings me to my final news for today. Analysts have said that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will die, and they stated part of their reasons is that cryptocurrency do not follow the attributes of money and have no intrinsic value. And they also state, and this is very disconcerting to me, because they said that the powers that are above will see to it that regulations and rules and laws will penalize people in the crypto scene and make cryptocurrency almost worthless, dropping to $100. That's what they claim, and that no one's going to use cryptocurrency. Again, when you talk about intrinsic value, the question here is, what do you consider intrinsic value in fiat currency anyway? Just because the people in power say so? It's all based on the confidence. And I think in one of the articles that it was mentioned by these guys is that people believe in fiat, and that's the only reason why they got value. And if more and more people start believing in cryptocurrencies, especially the young who don't follow your banking mindset, and the people in power will eventually, what are you going to do? What are you guys going to do to stop this trend? Putting more laws and regulations? We have seen you guys doing that with the internet, with file sharing. To what extent? You probably make it as difficult as it is, but eventually I think the adoption for cryptocurrency will take off when the old guards die and the power will win. People who say that they are still holding on to this power and authority figure giving us instruction, you guys are holding on to a very lost cause. You can only hold on for that long, but if you don't see the future or you don't try to understand how things work in the crypto scene, you're just missing the point and you'll be just obsolete in time to come. Right now you may be rich and you're powerful, but how long can your wealth and power last? Also very interesting, in this same day's article, we have the European Parliament, I believe it was let me check the exact words that they use. The Economic and Monetary Community, Econ for short, actually states that right now cryptocurrency, based on its volume, it's not really a danger, but there is a lot of traction, and in the future it could pose a risk, a real threat to the banking system. So again, we have both sides of the coin. You either believe it or you don't, and this is what makes blockchain and crypto so interesting, because no one can predict the future, and it's based a lot on your belief, my belief, the community belief, and the winner at the end of this race is not whether a particular project is going to be great, whether there's intrinsic value or not. It's a belief system. The entire infrastructure is based on a belief system. Okay, so let me know your thoughts. This is not a one-sided vlog, if you want to choose to say it's a vlog. It's not a one-sided broadcast. That's what I would call it. I would love to hear your thoughts as well. Please engage me in a conversation. Tell me what you think about today's news. Tell me what you feel about the whole blockchain ecosystem. Is it going to die? Is it not going to die? Are you one of those farts who's selling off your coins because you find that the Bitcoin that just isn't going up? Well, get in touch with me, like our Facebook page, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Rock the Block Live. Rock the Block Live is a broadcast channel for the busy crypto enthusiast who wants fast-paced and thought-provoking news on the go. If you like what we do and want to show us some love, you can follow us on Facebook, subscribe us on YouTube channel, and join our online community. Details and more information in the links below.